What's your name
first, you know?
Girl, Reese still, man. I represent for Bad Beats
Alright.
Entertainment. Fully rev going on. No break.
So,
Say, move.
song you remember one.
Yeah, man, you don't know it's a girl Chavez, aka the Island Girl, representing for Bad Beats Entertainment. Yeah, man, wanna big up on the stuff anytime. Yeah, Chavez says so. Root.
All right, give it up for Black Star. Let me see, what's the temperature in the room like? Welcome to Pantap. How we doing, Pantap? I love it, I love it. And I know we're all here to support Imar Shephard and his album launch. As a matter of fact, Morning Glory has all the assets to make it one of the memorable albums of all time. And so we're here. All right, so you see me now have artist status, so them switch my mic. Still sound good, not true? So I want to welcome everybody to Pantap right now. Welcome everyone at Pantap. I may I tell you, last night first me visit Pantap, and I love it. I love it. If you love Pantap, give it a round of applause. So I want to shout out Bobo and the crew for hosting Imar's album launch tonight. We also have some other folks who want to shout out, you know, Isa Char Music. Big up to Isa Char Music. You hear? Yeah. Big up Isa Char Music. Cam Booster, 7 figures. Big up to Cam Booster, 7 figures. Also, we want to shout out CR Promotion. CR, Christine Rendell. Big up yourself, Christine. You know you do a big part to Imar's journey over the years, all right? And I also want to shout out a little radio show to Atlanta named The Wayne Hall Show. I happen to host that show. That's the show that carries my name. Ladies and gentlemen, came all the way from Atlanta for this because I know what it means for Imar and this album. All right? So we're here to show some love and support for our brethren, our brother. And so welcome again, everyone. We're going to get the show on the road, all right? And we're going to have to invent a time machine tonight because we're going to have to make sure we still finish when we're supposed to. So I'm going to appeal to the artists. Keep that in mind, here? Yeah. All right. So, are you ready, Pantap? Yeah. Sure. Are you ready, Pantap? I say, let's get the show on the road. Our first performer tonight goes by the name of Fire Steam. And Fire Steam is gonna do a couple of his songs for us. Changes, Jah Never Leave Me. He's been in the business. Tonight you get to see him performing live. So ladies and gentlemen, big up. As I come back, I will recognize some of us in the audience. We got a great lineup, and here we go. Fire Steam.
Yes, sir. Blessed night to everyone, you know? More love and more respect. Blessed General Fred Locks. Imar Shephard, you know, I your night, you know, my brother. Yeah, man, more blessings and more life. Yeah, hi. A fire steam. I want to name changes, you know. I say love and good, you know. Always. Yes, I. And the changes them want. Get your life, it don't nice. And the changes them want. Separation is not their choice. And the changes them want. You don't feel like them war rise. And the changes them want. Because they love their life. One equal work, but them still can't get none. To the area where them come from, them lead to the gun. Them lead to the slum, some gun lead on the ground. Still can't come back home. Change is no form, but still can't find none. The light of a bridge, more time, water to run. Some man feel frost out at the rum with a punch. But I rather burn my herbs. Changes them want. Get a life, it don't nice. And the changes them want. Separation is not their choice. And the changes them want. You don't feel like them want rise. And the changes them want. Because they love their life. Give on if you know you can help someone. Nobody brag and boast like better than the one. Almost all of us born with the same organs. Any height of the power, we can reach a greater one. Jah me beg, please give me a helping hand. Journey have to straight, the destiny it have to strong. Meditation have to right when I rough in a wrong bang. Jah me beg, guide me journey all along. And the changes them want. Get your life it done nice. And the changes them want. Separation is not their choice. And the changes them want. You don't feel like them war rise. And the changes them want. Because they love their life. One heap on work. Next one. Yes, I say give thanks and praise to the Most High Rastafari King Selassie the first. Oh, hey, just made that beat. Jah, don't you leave me. Keeping you close, keeping you close. Pain that I'm feeling. Jah, I need you the most, need you the most. Jah, don't you leave me. Keeping you close. Things that I've been through, Jah, I need you the most. Cause Jah is there for I, Jah is there for you. Watch the things you do. Cause Jah is watching you, you make a choice. And you know got you. You better act like you. I know what to do. Cause life is full of situations, so you got to live it right. Can't get up every day and complain, but you don't got no life. We not like bad mind people and make we sick and lose appetite. Eyeball I see very clear that mean you know you got your sight. Jah, don't you leave me. Keeping you close, keeping you close. Pain that I'm feeling. Jah, I need you the most, need you the most. Jah, don't you leave me. Keeping you close, keeping you close. Things that I've been through. Jah, I need you the most. Yeah, I've been through a lot of pain, but still stay strong. Wish I could have make a change for the nation. Home love and peace, no separation. Reconquer bunga is a re-rasta man. Feel like a born with a mountain lion. Give me the dragon, make a light up this one. Beat up the drum and make a do this song. It's song number one when we drop this song. Get so sweat like a re-King Kong. Rolling deep cause money makes song. Music sweet, explode like bomb. Jah is recreate this land. Give me the energy to voice this song. Clear up the earth from corruption. Why so my brother them to be strong? Jah, don't you leave me. Keeping you close, keeping you close. Pain that I'm feeling. Jah, I need you the most, need you the most. Jah, don't you leave me. Keeping you close, keeping you close. Things that I've been through. Jah, I need you the most. Cause Jah is there for I, Jah is there for you. Watch the things you do. Cause Jah is watching you, you make a choice. And you know got you. You better act like you. I know what to do. Cause life is full of situations, so you got to live it right. Can't get up every day and complain, but you don't got no life. We don't like bad mind people and make we sick and lose appetite. I wanna see very clear that mean you know you got your sight. Jah, don't you leave me. Yeah, give me the next one, the blessed love, you know. Jah love, yeah. I say marijuana, I know. It's the healing of I and I mind. I water go on for the earth's farm. Cause Babylon a fight it. And a them same wanna export it. And I reap the benefit. I water go on for the earth's farm. Cause Babylon don't like it. And a them same wanna export it. Them a real born hypocrite. Blow them no. Just leave them with them crops. Make them grow them no. The why you want them stop. It's the tree of life. The Rasta man choice. I grade with love up like rice. smoking now. That's how I realize. No but not fly. Meditation not be wise. No hope, no opium. Only ganja load for my mind. And water go on for the earth, man. Cause Babylon don't like it. And a damn same wanna export it. And I reap the benefit. And water go on for the earth's farm. Cause Babylon a fight it. And a damn same wanna export it. Them a real born hypocrite. Me love the weed, me a smoke it to life done. And every day is a different type grade bun. Me no stray but me drive up me gas done. Just to get the high grade, the one with the real gum. Give me the hot leaf, the fat leaf, me need some. My phone ring off, my answer if a weed come. The spliff where me smoking fatter than a cheat chunk. Me no drink no bag of rum, me car, me no want feel jam. Next door neighbor smell the scent and say she wants some. Ask her where me get it from down at West Kingston. Sweet sense, I mean I'm a send some for them express some. Cause I ganja me love. And water go on for the earth farm. Cause Babylon a fight it. And a damn same wanna export it. And I reap the benefit. And water go on to the earth's farm. Cause Babylon a like it. And a damn same wanna export it. Them a real born hypocrite.
All right,
yes,
give it up for Fire Steam.
Yes, sir. Bless
all right, yeah, man. Yes. Give thanks. All right. So we're gonna keep it moving, you know, and I have to lead by example because we have to invent the time machine tonight. So once again, welcome everyone on Pantap. Those of us joining us on the live, presenter Vivo, share it. Thank you. Big up. All right, we're gonna move on. Up next, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna go straight to the parish of Clarendon. He goes by the name Presenter Clearly. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a warm welcome as we bless Imar Shephard's album launch with none other than Presenter Clearly.
I'm the presenter. I believe it called Imar Shephard album launch and what's the way come board rough and tough scene, original DJ. Follow me now. So them a watch me silent, so me silent, so me silent, so me silent, so me style. So them a watch me silent, so me silent, so me silent, so me silent, so me. Me full of features like a pro tool, that I never grow fool. Music is my soul, but lift it up again and our papa center at the center with a king take and they come board, rough, see? Pants up, I am our album launch, top launch. This presenter in center, see? Big up everybody over there. No crooked little copycats just squeeze up like an apricot. Nothing rough and acting tough, them soft like when spell lucky jump. Man pressing gas and fretting not. Me no got no stop, stop. Open the gate to take them all. Watch it make me lucky back. Trying out and spying out to find out your me lucky stash. Genuine and feminine, no for them are acid wash. Wasting time on the first in line. Sorry got a lot to catch. Judge know me happy that me about don't bring no crappy cash. Booty the bang bang, booty the bang bang, booty the bang bang bang. Pantap a section, fool a get quang. Booty the bang bang, booty the bang bang, booty the bang bang bang. Me tell the man rougher than them. Say put it the bang bang, put it the bang bang, put it the bang bang bang. Papa's intersection, fool a get when. Put it the bang bang, put it the bang bang, put it the bang bang. Me telling He's out and Papa's enter when again take scene. A lyrical machine, everything cashes. I am our big up self, my brother from another mother. Say, look at the artists for there. Want them in woo. Say me no in a them war and jealousy. So me a kill them in a bars and melody. Them can't trick me with them carbon energy. Attacking like a leprosy, they never want let go me. Woo. Me no in a them war and jealousy. So me a kill them in a bars and melody. Them can't trick me with them carbon energy. Attacking like a leprosy, they never want let go me. A long time I do this. Some of them is a icon. They buried me alive. Out of the grave me rise from. Black nation still a fight me. I'm supported by the white land, offended by my right and cut it off. Cause I'm a wise man. Where them a fly? Where them a fly from? Say me no caring. Who them a hype on? Them watering like a lifespan, sinking like an island. One by one and it's not by in my hand. Clearly lily. Say me no inna them war and jealousy. So me a kill them in the bars and melody. Them can't cheat me with them. Hands up. You know Imar Shephard album launch, you know. So we're not overdo it, you know. He's the black star, you know, a presenter in the center, see? Daddy Fred Locks, pick up yourself. And every artist were there, see? We're not two artists were there. Something for the ladies. But you never know we can sing. Clearly been searching my whole life for a girl like you that is so nice. The pain inside make my soul cries, but I saw true love in those eyes. I went left, I turned right. You're my love at first sight. I was confused and so blind. I stepped right into a gold mine. Your loving full of flavor, sweet divine nature, a real life savior. Keep me from danger. Your loving full of flavor, sweet divine nature, a real life savior. Keep me from danger. Watch your style now. My ears don't know right. Ears out. Alright, now sing Imar Shephard favorite song now. Sing. If you love a life, go so. If you love a life, go so. Wave your hand if you love a life, on top. Watch me now, now. I love my precious life, despite these test of times. Make the best of mine, eat right and exercise. Yeah, yeah. Love your precious life, despite these test of times. Make the best of mine, eat right and exercise. I've been punching my clock just to keep it ticking, trying to stay cool while the heat is kicking. Wanna reach the honey but the bee's been stinging. Real go-getter, not believe in quitting. If you fail, recharge and restart. Enough soul lost, I must sleepwalk. Even though the rocky road may seem dark, put God first with a clean heart. I love my precious life. Love no all a good night scene when I overdo it. Sing, presenter.
Yes, presenter, pick up yourself. Give it up for presenter, ladies and gentlemen. Yes. All right. And like we say though, late start, but we're going to make it up, all right? So we're going to keep it quick. Okay, up next, ladies and gentlemen, we bring you an artist straight out of the Harmony House. Engineering background and then some. Are you ready? Are you ready to take it up? Yes. Voltage, our next artist. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Voltage.
Yo, give thanks.
How is that?
Hold it, because you don't know your thing. Big up the thing, you don't know. Good night to all the beautiful people in the house. My name is Voltage, big up on yourself. Give thanks alive. Imar Shephard, big up yourself in the morning glory. I know you come to tell a beautiful story, don't it? Rashad Amachi, big up yourself, you know. Okay, but you know the thing, don't it? And you don't know Black Star, kick it off, because you don't know, you know. All who love them mama in the house right now, me hear you say, mama! Yo, big up man of them in the house, you know. You know why me love Blue Minerals, turn it up. She feel the pain. She never complain. Never dash me down the drain. She go and maintain. Voltage again, alright then. Mama give thanks to everything you have done, raising your son. And then you tell me say no pick up no gun. Give thanks to everything you have done. You never bring me down. Tell me keep my focus even while I'm having. Give thanks to everything you have done, raising your son. Mama you tell me say no blood nothing. Me give thanks to everything you have done. You never bring me down. But this a where you tell me say. Now just to make me live your work, 2 jobs me adore that. You put me on the bed for sleep while you floor that. And anytime me sick, mama, you always cure that. You in on me head, me store that. And then you tell me say no make nobody treat me like doormat. You tell me pour me one no drinks, no make no guy pour that. You send me no fi sell me soul, well me assure that. The teachings that you gave blooming rose. Mama give thanks for everything you have done, raising your son. And then you tell me say no pick up no. Me give thanks for everything you have done. Take it up, take it up. Big up all the beautiful mothers who take care of the kids them. And you know say you make sacrifice and put the youth them before you, don't it? You know how she do it? Turn it up. Let me tell you how my mother do it. I blow me nose. It was only you, in the night you, where you did forget the meal, you never had a clue. Still you pursue, and it came true. Voltage I tell you disrespect you. Mama, you not fi worry no, you not fi fret again. You not fi work hard and bust no sweat again. If at the rain, you not fi struggle get no wet again. Cause your son voltage, come fi set a better. Me give thanks for everything you have done, raising your son. Big up them and that them in the place right here now. Give thanks for everything. Pull it. You don't know voltage I represent, you know. Give thanks to the strength. Imar Shephard, big up yourself. You know what I mean? Congrats, me general. Me know the journey. You see me? So anything you get, you know say you earn it. Kick it off, you know, cause we know say we have been the next big thing. Imar, you're the next big thing to the system. We not been a victim, don't it? Alright, okay, alright. Get what you would be the next big thing. To the system, nobody be no victim. And if your friend now waste time and why you fi join me, I tell you something no fi gifting. Hey, get what you would be the next big thing. Set up all see your light down a string. Cause the money we a hunt, nah be no pound richer than jump and leech. And when me do, sip out a Jamaica and run up a foreign. Hustling the money down a yardie barren. Tell all me friends, lock down the ends, me a bring in the Benz so you know I'm not tarring. Buffy make mama make the cake and sorrel. Buffy make sure say me back a barrel. Heal it up again from top, you don't know when I overdo it. I voltage I represent, you know. Imar Shephard, big up yourself, Rashad Amaji. My daddy Fred Last, so I'm to them. Alright, get on youth be the next big thing. To the system, nobody be no victim. And if your friend now waste time, why you fi join me, I tell you if you no fi gifting. Hey, get on youth be the next big thing. Sit up and see a light down a string. Cause the money me a hunt, nah be no pound richer than jump and leech. And when me do, me step out a Jamaica and run up a foreign. Hustling the money down a yardie barren. Tell all me friends, lock down the ends, me a bring in the Benz so you know I'm not tarring. Buffy make mama make the cake and sorrel. Buffy make sure say me back a barrel. Me am in the game, buy mama house but me still a pay the rent and like your barrel. You'd be the next big thing. To the system, nobody be no victim. And if your friend now waste time, why you fi join me, I tell us if you no fi gifting. Yo, Imar be the next big thing. To the system, nobody be no history. You see man in glory. Now tell us some more the album you know. Jump and leech. Get a youth out of things. These are not rough things. Yeah, well we don't cause the youth them are up things. Free the hustling, that's the first thing. Now no time for lose, get a youth with no string. Yo, still a pretty house on the hill on the rock. Now waste no time, everything out the clock. Now no time for no crime, some rock, no Iraq. Puffin and grade and relax. Give thanks a voltage. Love me nothing.
Yeah, give it up for Voltage. All right, Voltage, you do your thing. All right, are we still having a good time on top? Yeah, man, I tell you, enjoying it. Big up to Imar Shephard and his album launch, man. Morning Glory is gonna be historic. Ladies and gentlemen, it's my pleasure to introduce our next performer tonight. A man who goes right back to my childhood with one of my favorite tunes. I don't know if you're going to do it tonight, so I won't say the name. But, punt up, are you ready for Fredlocks?
Better ready.
Are you ready for Fredlocks?
Ready like Freddy.
Give it up for Fredlocks!
Send it off, my selector. Blessed love. Under the weather, but we did have to come still. When I tell her, it's a good youth. Send it off. The call upon this Rasta man to live up strong, oh yeah. I said it won't be long now. I and I must soldier say, Rasta don't work for no CIA.
That's right. Let's stay on the stage for the lighting.
All right, sir.
Let's stay on the stage.
Me say me have a bad, but me still love
Respect, respect.
How you feeling, Panto? Love you, 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 love you. And the girl them look sweet too. And in a full jar yourself, I can see it. Then I have the next dude. You know, it's the time for our spent, right? And the man have to do him thing. I want to get a little love song for the ladies. Love you truly. Love you, baby. Oh yeah. Hear this. Only you gave you meaning to my life. You'll forever be here with me. Inseparable we are. How you feeling? Cause I'm ecstatic, excited of our newly found love. Right here in my heart you will always stay. Ooh yeah, inseparable we are. Whoa, 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 whoa. You are the sun, shine of my life. So much excitement when you are around. So much about you that words cannot say. Makes me wanna love you in a special way. But only you. Next time, how you feeling, ladies? Yo, that's a nice of the man thing, you know. Well, I'm a big tune this, so we have a touch it. Hey, yo, yo, yo. Big bad tune. Hear me now, hear me now. 7 miles of Black Star Line coming in the harbor. Pull up that them to Papa. Wow. My guys gonna pull up and my belly full up. Now set it up again. You don't know the thing set in up. Imar. You know you don't need no shepherd, you are your own shepherd. You don't know, I'm a cup full, you know. Why whoa, Black Star Line is coming. The Black Star Line is coming. Hey, hey. 7 miles of Black Star Line is coming in the harbor. 7 miles of the Black Star Line is coming in the harbor. I can see them coming. I can see hydrants running. I can hear the elders saying, these are the days for which we've been praying. I'm saying, 7 miles of Black Star Line coming in the harbor. 7 miles of Black Star Line coming in the harbor. Cause it's repatriation, black liberation. I say the time has come, that man, we're going alone. For 7 miles of the Black Star Line coming in the harbor. 7 miles of the Black Star Line coming in the harbor. Thank you very much. It's not a Fred Lock show, you know? So thank you very much.
Yes, sir.
Cause the Black Star Line is coming.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the great Fred Locks. Yeah, man, Fred Locks, the dreadlocks. Give it up, give it up. That song, I run around my yard singing that. Boy, Fred Locks, it's a pleasure and an honor to share this stage with you tonight. We're keeping it moving, we're keeping it moving. Up next, we're going straight out to St. Thomas. Anybody from St. Thomas? Anybody from St. Thomas? All right, he's described as militant. He's described as disciplined. Serious about the music. Ladies and gentlemen, help me welcome our next performer for the night. He goes by the name Rashad Amarji. Give it up for Rashad Amarji. What we say, Rashad?
Greetings. Guide my steps on this journey. When the hypocrites were hurt well, vampires them bloodthirsty. Natural, yeah. Me see it clear like 20/20 vision. Yes, up your boots and put on your hammer and continue on your mission. And it's not even a decision. Whoa. What a feeling! I greet to the maximum in pure majesty and brother Selassie the first. Jah! Rastafari! Imar! Jah! Me see it clear. Stop it. Come in and come up and perform, you know. Give me the next one. Imar thing, don't it? Alright, we are stop it. We are celebrating Imar album launch tonight. You don't know me, you know, when I come for Bondongi place, But Imar night tonight. Musical graduation. Drop the next one. Let me see some dance, man. Come in.
Skybow music.
Get the boat and the cheer, man. Sure. Everyone has got problems. They don't know how to solve it. Jah protect all his children. Take them out of their misery. Everything is upside down, moving out of control. Standing in this basic ground, and I'm feeling all alone. Friends and family, they don't really care for me. Still I'm on a solid ground, and I'm on my bended knees. Purify my soul, oh Jah. Sanctify my soul, Jah, Jah. Purify my soul, oh Jah. Sanctify my soul, sanctify my soul. Them woulda want see me drop off a bike car. GPS come knock off me lighter. Taxi man just drop off me wife and me drink and junk and pop off me knife too. Them a hear that, oh them attack I coulda made that. Now I go live just to see that. Negative we no breed that. I listen I say they came and him a fight by buckle. Spiritual warfare no use none shackle. No pre physical when them a try stop you. Them so big at you. Imar Shephard, look at. Purify my soul, oh Jah. Sanctify my soul, sanctify my soul. Stop it. I released my EP a couple months ago. And I felt overwhelmed because musical journey is not one that is easy, especially when they don't have all the necessaries that are the necessities that you need to have. So I'm putting our hands together, Imar Shephard, we can present this tonight. I never the plan for come sing, you know. But you don't know, so we are artists, I will sing. Imar Shephard, big up yourself, my brother. Long life on the journey, more success, more glory. Brother, just go and do it. Here, big up yourself, every time.
Yes, give it up for Rashad Amarji. That's right, it's all about Imar Shephard tonight. But we gotta give it up for these brothers performing alongside their brother tonight, all right? So one more time, on top, give them all a big round of applause, man. What an energy. Don't you love the energy in the room? I love it. Up next, ladies and gentlemen, our next performer comes to us from Savannah Lamar, that's what, Westmoreland, by way of Clarendon. One thing I've observed with this next artist, always a positive message, always a positive energy. And he traveled all the way from Sav today to come and be a part of this historic occasion for Imar Shephard. Pan top, put your hands together for Nat Righteous! Nat Righteous!
Greetings and blessings. Well, I know, brother, don't start it yet. First, I want to pick up everyone to come out tonight. Because this is not only Imar thing alone in our thing. Because we've been on the journey with him. We see him fight, we see how hard him fight. You know what I mean? So, we have to help him fight the fight. So, if you're here tonight to hold some good joy and listen to some good reggae music, can I hear make some noise again? No, man, pant up, do better than that, man. Yes, man. Kick it right out after that. Let me tell you something. See violence, I don't like it. I look and I see. And that's why me wonder if I dream when me see what I want in a broad daylight. Well, innocent get shot by police and it want in a broad daylight. And government don't care when them a thief, it want in a broad daylight. And so many go against them beliefs in a broad daylight. Well, I've seen so many things that's very sad. Oh no, nothing said this a world you gone mad. I've seen so little good people in a cause how them should, and it just can't outweigh the bad. I've seen hurt from those who should protect us. Must see the leaders turn around. I'm not going to overdo it, stop it. Alright. Because that's the only artist. Press up there. I'm not getting there. Now, all I want corruption, can I see one in the ear, please? Now, we know the corruption get together, because together is stronger, make we do it with love, yeah. That's the answer. That's when corruption, if not needed, no. No, stop it again. Yes. Can we tell us how we not overdo it, you know? No, I'm an artist who always look out against certain things. And because I have lived it, I have lived in areas where violence was one of the prone things in that area. So I'm always writing my music to free the ghetto youth them from violence. So this next song is something I'm personally, and I want to hear them just listen. Because we're there to celebrate with Imar tonight. We're not joining in all but sorrows, but tonight is Imar night, it's a celebration night. So, pull up and come again. Yeah. As we tell you now, overdo it, you know. But all I know what it feels like to be played by...
Described as dulcet, soothing, especially when it comes to the ladies, right? So ladies and gentlemen, the reason we are here tonight is because the next big thing in terms of a music album is being launched. It's gonna be available on the 31st for purchase. But tonight, are you ready, on top, to hear Imar Shephard perform from his album, Morning Glory? Ladies and gentlemen, the man of the hour, give it up for Imar Shephard! Give it up for Imar Shephard!
And I used to give thanks for life, you know. Yeah man, give thanks for each and every one who made it possible to be here. It's a blessing to be here. You know what I mean? And for those of you who believe in the Almighty, let me see you put up one hand like this. Let me hear you say, feel so happy to wake up this morning. Yeah. If you love reggae music, let me hear say, go on, Imar Shephard. Let me hear say, sing, Imar Shephard. Wake up this morning. Yeah, so happy now. To wake up, to wake up. I want to thank the Most High. I want to thank the Most High. Thank you, Lord. And I used to give thanks, you know. No, that is the first track of the album. The title track, you know, of the album, Morning Glory. Now I would like to pick up some people in the building. Now, Mr. Waynard, straight out of Atlanta. Special request. Yeah, and him there up on the ground. Don't it? Give him a round of applause, man. Yeah, man. Let me say big respect to the minister. One perfect love. It's a blessing to see you here, you know what I mean? Representing for us all. You know what I mean? One love. Team Imar Shephard. Frano Wagwan. Art it up. Let me hear you say, art it up. Alright, give thanks. Let me say big respect to Paris Kirkland. You know, she did it from morning, you know, from the start. So we have to give thanks for her, you know what I mean? See our promotion. You know, me have to say give thanks. Presenter, all the artists who reach out today, who come represent Imar Shephard, Voltage, Mr. Rashad, Not Righteous. You not even know me feel tonight. Goosebump. But watch you know, we now hold it up. Because I know say, everybody, you know, come for have a good time tonight. Don't. No. Felix, pick up yourself, you know. It's a blessing, you see. Give thanks. Respect. No, for the ladies. You know, Imar Shephard always represent the ladies because, you know, without the ladies. We have no babies. Yes, sir. You hear that? That is it. So, my general, we want some more, don't? She bring out the lion. Bring out the lion. As she dance across the floor, she turn and smile at me. I couldn't ask for more. Standing ovation, she deserve an encore. Damn, she's beautiful. She make a lion. She brings out the lion in me now. She let me just heart it up, Imar Shephard. People say Black Star. Love it, baby. And every time we make love, she brings out the light in me. She brings out some more. She brings out the light in me. Want me want some more. Want me want some more. Tito, holy Black Star. And after me say me want some more. You know what I want is look at comfort. You know she bring out the love in me. She bring out the lion in me. Then me a big her look at comfort, man. Drop it, Black Star. Tonight I don't wanna be alone now. I need you as my comfort down. Woman, me a beg you look at comfort. I can I beg you look at comfort. I've been waiting so long. Alright. Woman, me a beg you look at comfort. I can I beg you look at comfort. I've been waiting so long. I know them a go call me the badass. I mean no one's but me love that. When you gonna come my way, come on, pull and come on. Black Star, big up yourself, you know. The immortal heart. Where I say call, big up yourself, you know, big up the engineer. Bobo, big up yourself, you know. Give thanks to the space. No, 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 no. Yes, alright. Woman, me a beg you little comfort. I know you beg you little comfort. I've been waiting so long. Woman, me a beg you little comfort. I know you beg you little comfort. I've been waiting so. Listen, I know them a go call me the badass. I mean no hands but me love that. When you gonna come my way, come and make my day. You know me well fit and prepare. Come make me full you up and loving and care. Woman, your energy, your vibes make everything right. We surely fulfill my need. Woman, me a beg you look girl. Woman, me a beg you look. I've been waiting so long. Yes. Woman, me a beg you look girl. Woman, me a beg you look girl. I've been waiting so long. Come let me take you on a dinner date night out. And take a trip over the lighthouse. Don't book the all-inclusive hotel. Tell me if you're ready for we drive out. Candlelight and everything right. Champagne and chill and the temperature right. Baby, don't get this as a one-night stand, but that this me want tell you tonight. Woman, me a beg you look girl. Woman, me a beg you look girl. Hold it, my brother. Wait. I just one time I go so and say, woman, yeah man, yeah. And say, woman, me I beg you little comfort. You know, more time we have to wait. We can't rush it. You think I walk my land? No, we have to balance the thing. You know what I mean? It's all about Morning Glory album. So, me there here I wait for the release date, don't? May 31st. May 31st, don't? Yeah man, I'm a sister that you know. I call her my young sister, but by right, you know the thing go. I don't talk with business. You know? Big up yourself, Jeff. My big brother in the building. You know, it's always a pleasure to see a family, you know, in the building like that, you know, represent. You know? I love and respect all around, you know. Don't get me wrong, you know. I love the energy, I love the vibes, I love to see everybody tonight. But, you know, a blood family jump through, it work. All right, jump in, my brother, next track. Oh, yes, never believe me. Never believe me. Never believe me. Oh no. Balance. Big dream, strategic plan is my resolution. Focus, work smart is the only solution. Discipline, meditate, as I make it the balance. Energy of frequency, man, I feel winning is a Gideon. Whoa. Remember me to tell you me I gonna make it. Remember me to tell you me I gonna make it. Hold it, my brother. You know what I say? I want to introduce my dance on stage. So I don't never know so me have surprises. Yeah. Yeah, man, me a surprise, man. And if you don't want to learn the dance, you know, just make some space. Drop it, my brother. Never believe me. Oh. Yes. Never believe me. Never believe me. Drop it, bro. Alright. Big dream, strategic plan is my resolution. Focus, work smart is the only solution. Discipline, meditate, has come to keep the balance. Energy up frequency, man if we winning is a Gideon. Remember me to tell you me gonna make it. Remember me to tell you me gonna make it. Them say pull up and come dancer, sorry. Them say pull up and come back, you have a dance so I know. Drop it, my brother. Yes, I never believe me. Hey, come booster, pick up yourself and know you live. Never believe me. Natch, art. Big dream, strategic plan is my resolution. Focus, work smart is the only solution. Discipline, meditate, as come to keep the balance. Energy up frequency, man if you winning this a Gideon. Remember me to tell you me go make it. Remember me to tell you me go make it. Without a doubt the battle has been won. Remember me to tell you me go make it. Lyrics speak about me take it. Without a doubt the battle has been won. I am work on my weakness, trying to maximize my strength. Cause if I don't stand firm in this time, they will always try to make you think. Remember me to tell you me go make it. Remember me to tell you me go make it. Without a doubt the battle has been won. Let me try. Remember me to tell you me go make it. This big but me take it. Without a doubt the battle has been won. Me know them expect me to fail. I can see it written in their face. But it don't matter how long it takes, I'ma steady my pace. My dreams them cannot preach, can't come between me and the beat. This journey I must complete, yes. Remember me to tell you we're gonna make it. Remember me to tell you we're gonna make it. Without a doubt the battle has been won. Remember me to tell you we're gonna make it. The risk big but me take it. Without a doubt the battle has been won. Remember me to tell you we're gonna make it. Remember me to tell you we're gonna make it. Without a doubt the battle has been won. Alright. And I say give thanks. Give thanks to dancer. His name is What's Them Dancer. See? It's a blessing to be here, you know? Represent your brother. For respect every time. No! Black Star, what is it? No! I'm gonna go back to the ladies, them, you know. You know, we say, Imar Shephard, love the ladies, them, and we always represent the ladies, them. Don't. Allow me to tell Okibo. Yeah, my brother over there, so Okibo. You know what I mean? Lottie, big up yourself. A voltage that, and a voltage. Oh. Alright. What you say, Kevin? You good? Yeah, big up yourself and your hand press, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. Glasses! Wagwan. I don't know his name so good yet, but Marvally Wagwan. Big up yourself. You know what I mean? Big up everybody over there. So Ricky, cool man, all the way from Canada, come support Imar Shephard. I love that. We give thanks. I would have flung so easy, my brother. I know Jeff that? Yeah. Jeff, I know you that? Alright, I'm not give no more trouble for the rest of the night, here. Voltage knows I'm a fool. Alright, drop the next one, my brother. way you bump and grind, if it is sexy design. I love the way you do it, Empress. High to high contact, make me body shiver. The way you bump and grind, rise up my pressure. When you smile, you captivate a brother. You're uniquely designed with custom figure. You are a one of a kind, special type that's hard to find. I gotta make you mine, 'cause you're a beautiful Empress divine. I love it, love the way you. I love it, love the way you. The way you bump and grind it with your sexy design. I love the way you do it, Empress. The way you bump and grind it with your sexy design. I love the way you. You always on my mind. Nothing I can do about it. You make Jeffrey rise. I know you make my body feel it. Oh, do you remember? Alright, here it's balancing. But this is the girl when you're Maxine. Her face is like a bunch of brown. And if I ever tell you about Maxine, you would have say I don't know what you know, but murder she wrote. No, murder she is. Murder she. Tell you now, murder. This man, him don't trouble no one. But if you trouble this man, it will bring her. It will bring her. Oh, Dana. Oh, Dana. Oh, Dana. Oh, I hear that girl. And Dana was her name. Since she left me, I haven't been the same. But I know I love her. Oh, Dana, why you go away? Oh, Dana, why you go? Oh, 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 oh. Pull up, Black Star. Hold it. As you know, we now overdo it. Black Star. You know, so life is a balance. And as you can hear, we sing about the ladies. You know, now we can sing a little bit of roots, don't? Yeah, man. Because pick up yourself, Miriam Simone, I see you. You know, and when you come around as DJ and see if you can give the DJ a one track so we can incorporate you. She all the way from Amsterdam to represent Imar Shephard. Give her a round of applause, man. Yeah. If I even one song, we know the time, you know, in between the time. What time say we in? We can work, Wayne? All right. Yeah. But in the meantime and between time, ma'am, eh? All right. You hear the DJ call me tracks him. You can tell when the DJ work with a artist, you know. Over the years, always I promote the artist, always I give him the strength. You know, big up Black Star. Really appreciate it, you know. Yeah, man, one Black Star. We appreciate it, brother. You know what I mean? Yes, man. Yeah. No, this one is called Have Some Class. You know, sometimes in life, you know, we have a tendency to rise above limitation. We try to rise above frustration. But some people don't like that. But who cares? A life we are live. You know? We are strive for the goal, don't we? Let me hear you say, art it up. Drop it, my brother. Yeah! Oh. It's mine to the shade, yeah. Balance it, my brother. Oh, yes, no. Watch out. Nothing no wrong with some class. Even if you come from the ghetto, nothing no wrong with some class. No, your mind don't have to be shallow. Nothing no wrong with some class. Don't make them be more analyze you, cause if you are a loose man, I saw them up, mix mirror. I am one of my ways of way. Pull it up and come back. Pull it up and come back, my brother. Oh, it's time to the shade, yeah. Leading the people to righteousness. Oh yes, no. Oh yes, no. some class. Even if you come from the ghetto, nothing no wrong with some class. No, your mind don't have to be shallow. Nothing no wrong with some class. Don't make them demoralize you, cause if you are a loose ball, I saw them a go. I will keep my hands up. Pull it up, you know what I'm saying? On top, yeah, alright there. Oh yes, now. Sing! I'll in my way. Mama Africa, your son is coming home. I'll in my way. Can't take the moderation down in a room. I'll in my way. Mama Africa, your son is coming home. Too much blood are running around. I have made my decision, but Babylon won't conquer I with them religion. Oh yes, I've seen them created so many divisions. Come with the cheap one, give by an incision, but I don't see the vision. I'll in my way. I'm a Imar Africa, you. Again, I'll in my way. Can't take the moderation down in a. I'll in my way. Imar Africa, your son is coming home. Whoa. Too much blood are running a. Mix me Black Star. I see them and use this state to extinct my people. Sight them from afar in a them armored vehicle. Them no want a peace. Them a study behavior. Psychologically them a try deceive you. I mean you know back to where I'm from. Not even the Ebola can stop I man. In a the rot and precious time man. So me burn them discrimination. I'll be my way. And my Africa, your son is coming home now. I'll be my way. You can't take the moderation down in a room. I'll be my way. And my Africa, your son is coming home. Too much blood are running a road. Balance it, Black Star. I have made my decision, but Babylon won't conquer with their religion. I've seen them created so many divisions. Come with the trip one give I an incision, but I don't see the vision. I'll be my way. Mama, pull up. Miriam, want to stay? You can't take one right now? Alright. So this Empress I'm going to bring around and make sure just do 1 or 2, 1. Then, we wrap it up. Alright? We don't really want to overdo it, but at the same time we want to keep the balance. We want to make sure so not everybody, get a little piece. Mr. Bobo. A turbulence, Missy, a while ago. Alright. Yes. Yeah, man. So, let me bring my sister all the way out of Amsterdam to you, to present her beautiful voice, I love the determination. I love the genuine energy. Look on her. Every time she smiles, it does look real and genuine. You know what I mean? So, to the stage, the beautiful Empress Miriam Simone. All right, come, sister.
Thank you. First of all, wait. I want to give thanks for this day. I want to give thanks for your album, Imar Shephard, because it all goes about you. I know you a quite long time, and I'm very, very proud of you, and I love you like a sister. Yes? Only love and light. So, I want to ask everybody a hand for Morning Glory. Yes! And I'm here to give Imar a strength. I'm gonna sing one song. Yes?
do for me. I am thankful, yeah, yeah. I am thankful. If you're here, who shall I be? And yeah, yeah, if you are near, then who can I fear? My Maker's always here. Oh yeah, yeah, if you are here, tell me who shall I fear? Yes, our Maker's always here. Oh, I am so thankful. Yes, I feel so thankful. I feel so grateful. Yeah. I am thankful for the life I got from Jah. I am thankful 'cause I am blessed with love. I feel so thankful because I am a mother. I feel so thankful because I know your love. I'm feeling grateful for walking on this journey, for giving thanks to be alive. I feel so thankful for entering your glory and to be in Jamaica, and Imar Shephard, morning glory. Oh, I am so thankful. I feel so grateful. Yeah, yeah. We're feeling so thankful. Yes, I feel so grateful. And this is a song that I think that everybody knows. Listen. I believe the children of future. Teach them well and let them lead the way. Show them all the beauty they possess inside. Give them a sense of pride to make it easier. Let the children laughter remind us how we used to be. I decided long ago never to walk in anyone's shadow. If I fail, if I succeed, at least I live as I believe. No matter what they take from me, they can't take away my dignity. Yeah, 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 because the greatest love of all is happening to me. I found the greatest love of all inside of me. Yes, and we give thanks for the morning glory again. Oh, Jah, Jah, we give thanks. May the Almighty bless you. Oh, may the Almighty bless you. May your morning glory reach upon the earth, rise upon the universe, reach within our souls, reach within our spirits. Yeah, 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 yeah. We give thanks. Yeah. Yes, blessed love. I am Empress Miriam Simone. Thank you.
Yes, absolutely. We give thanks, and we give thanks for Miriam Simone as well. Pantap, are you having a good night? Are you ready for Imar Part 2? At this time, I just want to announce, ladies and gentlemen, that the album launches tonight, and then it's available for sale on March 31st Imar Shephard is kicking off a Southeast tour of the United States starting Saturday, June 1st. He's going to perform at the first ever Caribbean Fest in Lovejoy, Georgia. The following Friday night, the 7th of June, he's going to be in Alabama for an all-white tribute to the Caribbean. The following day, he performs at the Marvel City Caribbean and Food Festival celebration that I'm going to be hosting. By the way, I'm going to be hosting the Lovejoy event as well. And then at the Atlanta Hartsfield-Jackson International Airport, the busiest airport in the world, Imar performs on June 14th. On June 16th, we're not done yet, Imar performs at the Mikey Sparkle Atlanta Caribbean Family Fun Day. That's Father's Day, another event I'm hosting. Ladies and gentlemen, show him some love. Show him that you're right behind him on this journey. A quick tour to promote the new album, Morning Glory. Having said that, let me move out the way and bring back Imar, part 2, Imar Shephard.
And I used to give thanks, you know. Big up yourself, Aisha. You know, one perfect love, you know. Give thanks. No, there are a couple collaboration on the album that, you know, I'll know me not sing none. Can you imagine? You know what I mean? There's a feature with Empress Akua. There's a feature with Rashad and Margie, which I would like to invite him on stage right now. You know what I mean? And of course, there's a feature with Bushman. You know, I haven't seen him yet, but, you know, we hope everything goes well. You know what I mean? Yeah. So, Glenn King, anyone you're there, which is my music teacher, you know, it's a blessing. You know, we give thanks that, you know, you train Imar Shephard to play music the way you did. You know, we appreciate it. You know? Rashad and Margie.
Big up yourself, man.
It makes sense?
Makes sense, man.
Yeah?
Make more sense.
What makes sense?
All right. Us being here tonight, celebrating this wonderful occasion, makes sense. What else makes sense?
Drop it. That makes sense.
We'll never. Fucked up if it's sexy. Let me hear you say. It's all be the case. Big up yourself, my brother, every time. Every time. Yeah, man, one love on the journey, king. Yes. Then we will never be friends. Big up yourself.
And I used to give
I want to remember say. Alright, you see this question here? When I leave St. Thomas out of the country and chatting at the Kingston, yo, me and Imar walk out the whole Kingston. Till all me have one converse out here and the whole I drop off, ask him. Yes. And we are walk to Kingston. See we are now, and we have more to come. Imar, big myself every time.
Every time.
Me now want to show, brother.
Give thanks for having you, you know? It's a blessing. Now there's another brother here, you know, not righteous. You see him already, but you need to see him again. Because guess what? There was another brother who lost his life, you know, when people want to dwell upon it too much, but at the same time, it hurts so much that it just can't go away. We always remember him. We always remember the great things, you know, that him stand for, you know, that him represent for, the positive energy. We remember the growth. We remember the journey, you know. Yeah, so we just want to sing this song,
brother,
as a tribute.
You know the struggle. And tonight again, I just want to tell us I know him there even a smile, you know?
Yes,
I feel good, I'm proud.
Yes, man.
All who love what them say I go on, can you hear them make some nice, please? Yes, man, I love it. Nobody saw watch it and I tell us I just feel good in myself. Yes. Big brother, I love it.
Thanks, brother.
Yeah.
Thanks, love my respect.
So yes, sir, we have something for them?
Drop it, my brother.
Talk to them.
I wanna know.
What do you want now?
I wanna know. Listen, we want to know about the cure. We want to find in a marijuana.
And you want to say, oh, Tito.
herb farmer carry media on tour, but ask them all question.
And I want to ask
how that they go liberate the poor. And enough never even spend a night in a jail. For marijuana and a worry about bail. Them never they are streets. And a bun a one slip as the police and a fist while a spliff tail. Me know about the cure. I don't find me in a marijuana. And now many more no find since we come on. We want to know about this. All of the marijuana users, them. Don't be afraid. You know what the thing of marijuana is a medicine, you know. We are free, we are free. My brother, I feel good. My heart feel good.
Give thanks.
You know what I mean? We know the journey. Morning glory, people. Ladies and gentlemen, the 31st of this month, this album comes to you. Now the onus is on you to make sure it goes somewhere. You know what I mean? Blessed love, my brother, every time.
All right. Give thanks, Natch. We love that and we respect that. Here's one on it called Waiting for You. You know what I mean? We're going to close it with that one. It's not working. It's not playing. All right. It look like tonight just decide for us. Work the weird work. You know what I mean? It end. And let me say, give thanks for each and everyone who made it possible to come here tonight. You know, at the start it look a little weird. And I said to myself, Jah, are you in control, you know? But watch you know, with faith, with determination, you know, with the love of the Almighty, you understand? With awareness, confidence, you know what I mean? We will out and it work out. Allow me to tell voltage.
Yeah, currently.
Yeah, man, currently. Yes, man. So let me big up each and everyone again. Mr. Waynall, special big up. You know what I mean? Francine, come here, man. I call her my little sister, but by right, I'm a big sister still. Look how she hot and nice. Sure. It's a blessing to have you here. And it's a blessing to have her as a part of I&I team too, you know? Let me hear say, Team Imar Shephard. Yeah, man. So look at you.
Okay, good night, everybody. I'm so happy. I'm happy. I am so proud of the baby brother, Imar. He said, little Omar, but he's Imar Shephard. I always say so. Brother, we just know that there's more greatness going to come out of this album and more to come. God has blessed you immensely with this wonderful voice, and you're going to go to miles and journeys and hills and valleys. St. Thomas was a small little spot. We take it to the world now. Some more blessings. Wayne.
Yes, and I want everybody give it up for Francine. Because, you know what, ladies and gentlemen, and pick up the artist now, because we know him. But guess what? It takes a village, they say. And you're the village, all right? We are a little bit a sample out of the village trying to help from behind the scenes with this journey. Everybody, after 2, I want you to hear you say Grammy. 1, 2. Grammy! That's the goal. So thank you, everybody, for your support. Francine, thank you for your hard work behind the scenes. Thank you for being here to support Imar tonight. And as we say, ladies and gentlemen, follow impeccable Imar Shephard and see the performances throughout the Southeast United States starting Saturday in the afternoon.
Give thanks.
The album, you can pre-save the album, pre-order it, download it, stream it, share it, tell at least 5 persons about the album, all right? And I want to say a big thank you to everyone who performed tonight. All the artists who showed strength and love for Imar tonight. Thank you for coming out. Everybody watching online. Some people staying up till way in the morning in Europe. Big up, all right? Thank you. One Imar.
Blessed love. Give thanks. One love.
All right. Take care.